Welcome to Hildestone College's quick lesson series where our teachers give you some English language tips.
Hello everyone and welcome to this week's quick lesson from Hildestone College. My name's Sam and this week I'm going to talk about stress. Not the kind of stress that we feel when we have an exam or too much work. This kind of stress is with our voices, and we use it in our speaking to make things clearer and easier to follow. Now, you might already know that we use stress in individual words. In words with two or more syllables, one syllable is stressed. For example, banana, telephone, forget. It's not always easy to know which syllable to stress in words, but in sentences we stress the words that are most important in meaning. For example, my name's Sam and I'm an English teacher. I live in Margate. The most important information here is my name, my job and where I live. So those are the words that I stressed. But we only stress the main syllable in those words. Can you hear them? Listen again. My name's Sam and I'm an English teacher. I live in Margate. Now, sometimes we might need to change the stressed word, especially if we want to correct information or disagree with someone. For example, is her name Sam? No, my name's Sam. It's not her name, it's my name. Are you a maths teacher? No, I'm an English teacher. I teach English, not maths. Do you work in Margate? No, but I live in Margate. I work in Broadstairs at Hildestone College. Now you try. Let's look at some examples. Here's the first one. Is London in Scotland? Which word do you think is stressed in B? The stressed word should be England. No, London's in England. Did you get it right? Here's another one. Pizza is the best food in the world. How would B answer? No, fish and chips is my favourite. I love pizza, but I like fish and chips even more. Well, that's two stress words here, but they go together, so that's okay. Last one. Do you have any green apples? No, we only have red apples. Sorry, no green ones today. Listen to the video again and repeat the B sentences with the correct stress. Remember to make your voice louder and higher. Sentence stress makes it much easier to understand native speakers because the most important words are usually the ones you hear most clearly. Listen to native speakers in real life or in films and on TV and see if you can hear which words are stressed. Good luck and keep practicing.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please click on the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss the next video. That's it for this lesson. Until next time, goodbye.